with a crew who, in every situation, always know what to do. You lose your way, they will show you the route. You're feeling low, they will roll you a zoom. 9 high, each round they smashing it. I know the crew, at all times ain't having it. And no one can test any words of the verse. Leave crowds entertained like a circus of words. From the moment of birth, the flow's dispersed, took it to another level. We put down the pedal, past the red line. All them rappers past their bedtime. Cause each man's big in his own right. I trust each man to spit and flow tight and rip a show like it's our last day on earth. From birth to the hearse with the masters of verse. I know the sound hurt, you say your rhyme's fat. Well, what you know about girth? Each flow's worth much more than your weak team. We speak, my team annihilate your weak themes with a unique sound. We get enough props but still keep feet to the ground. It's not just all about seeking the pound. Put our all in till we're asleep in the ground. And you're feeling the rhymes we shot in. On mixtape and stage vibe we rockin'. The raps we dropping, too much to handle. Smash up tracks with the hand of a vandal. Trust, skill, we got that. I roll with a crew. Each lyric is a hot rap. Each letter that we spittin' is a shot that spray like a sawn off when the trigger cut back.
And I roll with a crew, so what's new? We went to a place to make moves, record this album and make the debut, smash take 2.5, ripped up enough shows it was all live. And to tell the truth, never felt so alive. And while we were there, my thoughts were confirmed. Ain't rolling with no average breads, bars they scribe never cease to amaze. Technique never fade, heavy not featherweight. Nah, set it straight, vibes to elevate. Yes, we demonstrate, want you to celebrate. Yes mate, it's all for the love. Make music to make your blood rush. Scotty says just get the fuck up and you know the drill. Win the club, just jump on the reel. These two have got skills, don't forget me when you get that deal. Bell me up, be like blood, guess what? Got a new banger and you're on the guest spot. Gifted writers, the future's bright. Talented artists on stage that shine. Focus is ripe and enormous. You can see it in a live performance. You can phone a friend or ask the audience. Lyrics are big but not yet notorious. I lean on them when I'm feeling frail. When I drive them home when they've been through hell. Or offer my peas if they needed bail. Put them back on track when they've been derailed. I know together we will not fail, cause I roll with a crew that will prevail.
I roll with a crew I met a few years back, when I had loads of talent and flows and focus, but I had no particular goal to steer at. Half listening with a glass of coke on a beer mat in a garden. Flexi doing a show in the main room. These two rappers were something to peer at. Wanna make it clear that when I went up and spat, it was the first thing I'd ever written. It was a rap lyric or anything anywhere near that. I dropped my scorpion up bars, caught them off guard, and every ear's picked up like meerkats. Blood, did you hear that? Finally someone's spitting on a similar level to where we're at. And they're from round here, and that must have shocked them like I dropped tear gas. Cause they passed me the mic back again and said hit me one more time, like a Britney Spears track. And I did so gladly, and I told them hip hop had never grabbed me. It weren't my thing and I love garage badly. In fact, truly, deeply and madly. Anyway, so we started linking on Sundays. I'd come straight through, blaze a little zoo. We made a little booth, created take 1 and then take 2. And the rest, as they say, is history. So whether we flop, blow up or blast off, I'll always be proud of what I've been part of.